First of all, use the globe icon at the top to change your language to your preferred language. That way, all the screens and the spreadsheet heading will appear in that language. All you have to do to take this guided tour is answer a few questions. Would you like a guide to help you? If you answer yes, a guide will be assigned to assist you. Do you have your Jiapu, Jopo, or Koseki? Then do you have digital files or not? If you don't, then we give you instructions on how to use your phone to take pictures of your Jiapu, Jopo, or Koseki. You don't have to do the whole thing at once. You can do it in parts, and we will help you again to do that. You get a QR code that you can scan with your phone, and then that will upload the photos into the AsianGen system. Okay, we're now signed in. We can upload images of our Jiapu. So we'll go here and let's upload 4 images. And as you can see, that happens very quickly, and now we can classify those images. Which ones are genealogy, which ones are a tree, and which ones are a story page or a narrative. In this case, we have 3 records that are genealogy records. One that's a pedigree chart and none that are stories or narratives. So now we can go ahead and tell the system to extract those images. All you have to do is press one button, and it will start doing that. That takes about a minute per image. And then we return to the extraction hub, and you see that the genealogy records have all been processed. We still have one pedigree tree to do, but we won't do that right now. So now we review and edit the data, and the guide will have verified your information that it's near perfect in its accuracy. And you can see here that we have the name and the gender and the father's name. In this case, they're all male. The wife's name and the children's names. So that's the kind of data that gets extracted from the Jiapu images. And you can look at the original Jiapu images that were processed. And you can see here that this is the first name of this person here, plus his last name, which is found over here, right there. So that's how you process images with just a few questions and a few clicks, and you have your information processed.